Hey, thanks for coming over.
No problem, man. What's going on?
So I built this computer a little while ago and it's not performing how it should be.
What do you mean?
Well, the parts I picked should be easily capable of high FPS, but every game I've tried, I've had to play at low settings and my FPS is still terrible.
Okay, so what have you tried to fix it?
Okay, so the PC is fully up to date and all drivers are current. I've been monitoring temperatures and there's no issues there. I went into the BIOS and I made sure that the RAM was overclocked. I swear I've tried absolutely everything.
Okay, everything looks fine.
I've checked everything on the build so many times.
Your monitor cable was plugged into the motherboard instead of the graphics card.
I've spent 2 weeks trying to figure this out.